In this section, we shall define minor and cofactor of an element of a square matrix. They help us in determining the determinant of a matrix. Let A equal to Aij be a square matrix. The minor Mij of an element Aij of matrix A is the determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting ith row and jth column of matrix A. Minor of an element of a square matrix of order n, where n greater than equal to 2 is a determinant of order n minus 1. The cofactor Aij of an element Aij of a square matrix A equal to Aij is defined as Aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into minor Mij. For example, A be any square matrix of order 2, we can find minor of element A11. This element is A11. We can delete corresponding element of row and column of a element A11. Then we can find minor M11 equal to 3. Similarly, the minor of element A12. This element is first row second column element A12. We can remove corresponding element of row and column. Then we have only one element 4. This element is called minor. To find cofactor, we have to multiply by minus 1 power I plus j. Multiply by minor. Then we can write here minus 1 power I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Minus 1 power 2 multiply by minor equal to 3. Similarly, we can find all minor and cofactor of a matrix A. Suppose that we have a matrix of order 3 by 3. Now we can find minor of element A11. This element is first row first column element. To find the minor of this element, we can delete the corresponding row and corresponding column elements. We have the elements of matrix only 0, 4, 5, minus 7. Then we can do cross multiplication to find determinant. After multiplication, we have minus 20, that is minor of element A11. To find cofactor, we can multiply by minus 1 power 1 plus 1 multiply by minor equal to minus 20. Similarly, we can find all minor and cofactor of a matrix of order 3. Let Aij denote the cofactor of element Aij in matrix A. Then determinant of A equal to sum of product of element of any row or column with their corresponding cofactor. For example, let A be a square matrix of order 3. Then we can find determinant of A using the property of cofactor. A11 is element multiply by cofactor A11 plus A12 multiply by cofactor A12 plus A13 multiply by cofactor A13. Similarly, we can apply more condition to find the determinant using cofactor. Second condition we have, now we can say these are property of cofactor to find determinant. If element of a row or column are multiplied with cofactor of any other row or column, then their sum is 0. For example, we have a matrix of order 3. The product of elements of second row with cofactor of third row. We can apply here condition element second row first column multiply by cofactor third row first column, means A2 1 multiply by cofactor 3 1 plus A22 multiply by A32 plus A23 multiplied by A33. Now we can substitute the values of cofactor and element. After simplification, we have the value of determinant equal to 0. For example, using cofactor of element of first column, evaluate the determinant. We have a determinant of order 2 by 2. We can make matrix A of element 4 1 minus 3 2. We can find minor and cofactor of a given matrix. Then we can write here determinant equal to A11 element multiplied by cofactor A11 plus A21 multiplied by cofactor A21 equal to 11 is the value of given determinant using cofactor. Similarly, we can find the minor and cofactor of each element of second row of given matrix and hence evaluate its determinant. We have a matrix of order 3 by 3. We can find the minor of element 2 A21 equal to 8, minor of element A22 equal to minus 19. Similarly, we can find all minor and cofactor of given matrix. To find determinant, we can apply here A21 multiplied by cofactor A21 plus A22 multiplied by cofactor A22 plus A23 multiplied by A23 equal to, we can, after simplification, we have value of determinant equal to minus 202. We can substitute the value of minor and cofactor using the given condition. We can find determinant without expanding, without using any property of determinant. We can apply here only property with minor and cofactor to find the value of determinant.